Short memory or long memory? Which one is more important? Hi everyone and welcome to another video of Top Skills channel. We, human beings, have a lot of options. And today we are going to check the differences and advantages of short memory and long memory. Before starting, please bring your thumb up, comment your idea, and if this is the first time you have come to this channel, subscribe. English is a complex language that requires memorization and vocabulary, grammar rules, and sentence structures. However, memorization is not always easy, and it can be difficult to retain new information. This is where the concept of short memory and long memory comes in. Short memory also has known as working memory. What does it mean? You know, this is the ability to hold a limited amount of information in your mind for a short period of time. Long memory, on the other hand, is the ability to store and retrieve the information for a longer period of time. When it comes for learning English, short memory is essential for tasks such as listening or speaking. For example, when you listen to someone speaks in English, your short memory allows you to hold onto the words you hear until you can process them and respond. Similarly, when you speak, your short memory helps you to keep track of the words you want to use and maybe the grammar rules you want to use. Your long memory is important for the tasks such as reading or writing. Reading and writing require a longer vocabulary and a deeper understanding of grammar rules, which are best stored in long memory. Well, actually, when you read a book or an article in English, your long memory allows you to recognize the words and understand their meanings without having to stop and look them up. And in fact, when you write in English, your long memory helps you to recall grammar rules and vocabulary that you have learned in the past. So how can you improve your short and long memory when learning English? Here are some tips. First, to improve short memory, practice listening and speaking English on a regular basis. Focus on a small amount of information at a time. Use repetition to reinforce new vocabulary and grammar rules. Well, you can use visual aids. Using visual aids such as images, videos, or diagrams can help you remember new information more effectively. And this is the ability of brain to process visual information more quickly and store it in short memory more effectively than text-based information. Chunking. Chunking involves breaking down larger amount of information into smaller and more manageable chunks. This can help you remember more information at once. For example, instead of trying to memorize an entire paragraph of the text, you can break it down to shorter phrases or sentences. Active listening involves actively engaging with the speaker and paying close attention to what they're saying, and this can help you remember new vocabulary and grammar rules at once. And by the way, by keeping your short memory engaged and focused on the task at hand. Repeat and rephrase. Repeat new vocabulary and grammar rules out loud to help solidify them in your short-term memory. You can also try rephrasing sentences and explanations to help your own words and better understanding. Use mnemonics. Mnemonics are memory aids that can help you remember new information by associating it with something you already know. For example, you might use a mnemonic to remember spelling of a new word by associating it with a familiar word or phrase. Use active learning strategies. Active learning strategies such as asking questions or summarizing information can help you engage with new information and retain it in short-term memory more effectively. Repetition is a powerful tool to improve your memory, especially for new information. Practice repeating new vocabulary and phrases out loud to help commit them to memory. The next one is focusing on the most important information. Short-term memory has limited capacity, so you have to focus on the most important information when learning. This can help you retain key points and avoid cognitive overload. And the last one is connecting new information to what you already know. You know, relating new information to what you already know can help making it more memorable. If you already know the word apple, connect it to the word fruit, and this can help reinforce the memory. Okay, thank you all for listening to part 1 of this video about short memory, and we got the long memory for the next video. So if you liked it, I really appreciate you to thumb up, comment your idea, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you all around.